Fixing blurry videos, a simple guide.
Hey there! Have you ever experienced taking a video with your smartphone or camera, only to find out later that it's blurry? If you have, then don't worry, because today we're going to tackle how you can fix blurry videos in your smartphone or camera.
Why are my videos blurry?
Before we delve into the solutions, it's important to understand the common reasons why your videos may be blurry. 1. Poor focus. If your camera's focus isn't set properly, your videos may turn out blurry. This often happens if you're too close to your subject or if there's not enough light for your camera to focus properly. 2. Camera shake. This is a common issue, especially when taking videos by hand. The natural movement of your hands can cause the camera to shake, resulting in blurry footage. 3. Low resolution setting. If your camera or smartphone is set to record at a low resolution, the video will likely be blurry, especially when viewed on high-resolution screens.
How to prevent blurry videos?
To prevent your videos from becoming blurry in the first place, follow these steps. 1. Use proper focus. Make sure your camera is properly focused before you start recording. If you're using a smartphone, tap on the screen where your subject is to set the focus. 2. Stabilize your camera. To prevent camera shake, use a tripod or a stabilizer. If these are not available, try to support your arms or hands to keep them steady while recording. 3. Set the correct resolution. Ensure your device is set to record at the highest resolution possible. This setting is typically found in the camera settings of your device.
How can I fix already recorded blurry videos?
Unfortunately, it can be quite difficult to fix a video that's already been recorded and is blurry. But there are some software tools that offer solutions, like video enhancing or sharpening tools. These programs use advanced algorithms to enhance the details and reduce the blurriness of your videos. However, remember that the results will never be as good as if the video was sharp to begin with. 1. Use a video enhancement tool. There are many video enhancement tools available in the market. Some of these can be used for free, while others require a purchase or a subscription. These tools will try to enhance the clarity of your video, although the result may not always be perfect. 2. Sharpen your video. Video editing software often has a sharpen feature. Adjust the sharpening level until your video becomes clearer, but be careful not to overdo it, as this can introduce unwanted artifacts into your video. Blurry videos can be quite frustrating, but with proper prevention methods and a few tweaks using software tools, they can be greatly improved. Remember, the best way to deal with blurry videos is to prevent them in the first place by using proper focus, stabilization, and resolution. But if you've already recorded a blurry video, using a video enhancement tool or the sharpen feature in a video editing software might help. Hope this guide helps you in capturing and producing crystal clear videos. Happy filming!